Problem 13, write equations of two lines that are perpendicular. We know that perpendicular lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals. Right? So your line should not look the same as mine, but you can use the same idea. If my first line is y equals 2/3 x plus 3, then my second line needs to be opposite reciprocal. So the opposite of 2/3 would be negative, and then the reciprocal would be the flips. Instead of 2/3, it's going to be 3/2x, and then I can put whatever I want, plus 5, minus 10, minus 100, whatever. Okay, 14, determine if the lines given are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Parallel lines have the same slopes. If I look at line A, it has a slope of 2/5. If I look at line B, it has a slope of 2/5. So they definitely are parallel. And it does say to explain your choice. I'm going to say the lines have slopes that are the same. Right? Number 15, write an equation of the line that is parallel to y equals 5x plus 4 and passes through the point -4, 3. Well, if it's parallel, it's going to have the same slope. So if the slope of this first line is 5, the slope of my line is going to be 5. And then from here, I'm going to write y minus y1 equals x minus x1. This is my x, this is my y. So y is 3, m is 5, x is -4. So if I rewrite this, I'm going to have y minus 3 equals 5. And then remember, this minus and the negative are going to turn to plus. Distribute to get rid of my parentheses. So y minus 3 equals 5x plus 20. And then add to get my y by itself. So I'm going to get y equals 5x plus 23. Okay, number 16, write an equation of the line that is perpendicular to y equals -1/3 x minus 7 and passes through the point 3, 7. All right, perpendicular, I know my slope needs to be an opposite reciprocal. So if the slope of this line is -1/3, the slope of my line is going to be positive, the flip of 1/3, which would be 3/1, or just 3. So now once again, I'm ready to write my point slope form. This is my x, this is my y. So y is 7, m is 3, x is 3. So then from here, I'm going to distribute y minus 7 equals 3, x minus 3. I'm going to distribute to get rid of my parentheses. Y minus 7 equals 3x minus 9. And then I'm going to add 7 to both sides. I'm going to get y equals 3x minus 2. So that would be the slope of my equation of my perpendicular line.